Shipping containers can be stacked up to 8 stories high when fully loaded without any support. This inherent feature makes containers good building blocks for affordable multi-story container housing. In this video, we bring to you an affordable shipping container apartment on a waterfront in San Pedro, Belize. Stay tuned to find out more about these modern, affordable container apartments. Welcome back. If you are building a container house or you have a container rental, you can have your project featured on our YouTube channel absolutely free. Get in touch by contacting us on our website sheltermode.com. If you want to learn more on shipping container living, kindly subscribe. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up with your opinion in the comments section below, and feel free to share this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Known as the Box House Condos, this is a uniquely designed new construction located in a well-established local neighborhood of Corozal District in Belize. The apartment block sits on a canal front with access to a big lagoon. The apartment block is built from 12 shipping containers. The containers are stacked in rows of 2, separated by a central staircase connecting all stories of the apartment block. The containers sit on a steel frame foundation to elevate the modules away from moisture and any flood waters. The containers are elevated high enough to allow usage of the space under the shipping container modules. Made from shipping containers, these minimalist rental units are well furnished and have a clean, cool design. All the units have full kitchens, bathroom, a private balcony, off-street parking, and shared laundry facilities on site. The apartment comprises of 2 housing types. There are 2 units of 2 bedrooms occupying the lower level of the apartment. The remaining stories of the house accommodate 8 studio apartments, bringing it to a total of 10 housing units. Each apartment has got its unique design with modern finishes and does not skimp on comfort and convenience. The internal container walls are removed to create expansive open-plan spaces. The kitchen has enough storage cabinets and big countertops for making this kitchenette a flawless, functional unit. The kitchen backsplash is fully tiled with white wall tiles. The timber cabinet storage and the wood trim around the doors creates a warm atmosphere to the indoors. A warm and welcoming living area past the kitchen is fitted with an inviting couch, a custom-designed coffee table, and a flat-screen TV mounted on the wall for your entertainment. Allow for natural light to brighten the room, creating a good, relaxing atmosphere during good weather. A small dining area features an urban chic dining table with metal bar stools, ideal for a breakfast area. In contrast to the modest exterior, the interior oozes finesse, luxury, and comfort. The interior container walls are insulated, lined with plasterboard, and painted white throughout. All the studio units have an open-plan layout with the bedroom space located next to the living area, and they feature a comfortable, custom-designed double bed with enough beddings for a great sleep and a separate wardrobe closet for your clothes and other commodities. The two-bedroom units are furnished with double beds, and the space has full-height double doors opening to the balconies facing the canal. The color palette for the interiors is white and bright. In addition, the high ceilings create a feeling of airiness, openness, and spaciousness, helping to eliminate any claustrophobic feel of shipping container space. The big floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors flood the indoor space with adequate daylighting, making the space livelier. In addition, the shears in the openings can be drawn to regulate the amount of lighting required and to also induce some privacy. The doors can slide open to allow for cool breezes through the living room for thermal comfort. Each unit has a big bathroom space. The stylish bathroom features a toilet, a tiled stand-up shower with glass doors, a concrete countertop with under-the-counter storage, plus a big mirror which makes the bathroom even more appealing. The exposed corrugated container ceiling is visible throughout the house, giving the space an industrial aesthetic. The container cargo doors on the shipping containers are welded open and covered to create Juliet balconies for outdoor living. The resultant openings are fitted with floor-to-ceiling glass windows for maximum daylighting and ventilation. In addition, the big openings create a sense of openness and spaciousness, helping to reduce the claustrophobic feel of living in a shipping container box. The flooring throughout the home is the original plywood floors, highly polished to give the indoor space a shiny, easy to clean industrial finish. The ceiling fan and the mini split system is mounted on the wall to help maintain thermal comfort on the indoors. The apartment is also equipped with a laundry space equipped with 2 washers and 2 dryers. The laundry room is located on the ground level behind the south door. A large metal gate made from shipping container cutouts welcomes you to the property, which has designated parking area inside the fence. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior and are painted gray, which adds to the industrial language of the design. The building has a big zinc roof, which helps protect the house from harsh weather elements. There are lounge chairs on the outside for relaxation under the shaded coconut palms. The clean, sleek metal railing makes the deck a safe place while still offering endless panoramic views of the sea and the coconut plantations. The large openings and frames create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection to the landscape, and the trees around the building helps soften the industrial vibe of the design. These amazing container apartments are listed on Airbnb starting at $73 per night. Feel free to check them out through the link in the description below. We love everything about these amazing container apartments. Which part of these container condos appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion by posting in the comments section below, and feel free to share this video. If you want to learn more about shipping container living, please subscribe and remember to click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. If you have a shipping container project or a container rental, you can have it featured on our YouTube channel absolutely free. Kindly get in touch on our website sheltermode.com or contact us at sheltermode on all social media pages. Without further ado, let's get started.